Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am hoping that you are keeping the pace and you are moving with this lecture with your own pace actually, and I am teaching well and I am making you understand all the concepts pretty well. I think that, and I really hope that you are learning well. So for today's lecture we'll be talking about operators. Okay, so we'll be talking about operators. So actually I should have taught this earlier, but I didn't feel the need to because we were not using them like so often. But now as we have studied about the functions and we are moving along to the intermediary part, I think now it's the time that I should, you know, tell you about operators. So we'll start with the definition of operators. So operators are symbols, okay, that are used to perform mathematical operations on your variable. Okay, so in the previous lecture, as we talked about the calculator function, which I named as solve, you can see it right over here, this one. I'm performing multiple operations such as sum, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these operators are not just these four only, they are divided into multiple categories. So all those categories are arithmetic operators. So for operators I'm just writing OP right now. Okay, arithmetic operators. Second one is logical operators. Next, bitwise operator. One, I think they are called assignment operators. Okay, and yeah, one is what was that? Well, let's comparison operator. Yes, forgot the name. Okay, so there are other operators as well, but they are not that much significant right now for this particular video series. If you want to learn about them, you can go and search for the operators in Python and you will get a lot of links. I'll make sure that I will explain these 5 operators very carefully, and you understand them very well. Okay, so first of them is arithmetic operators. Okay, so all the operators that are used to perform arithmetic operations are called they are used, I can just type it like this only, they are used to perform arithmetic operations. Okay, so like addition, subtraction, multiplication, floor division, normal division and square rooting. So this is for addition, sum, subtraction. Okay, this is for multiplication, this one is for division but floor one, and this one is normal division. So difference between these two is ki it will give you the nearest integer value, the floor division, and the normal division will give you a float value. So this will give you the exact value in the case of division, the normal flat line division, the normal division will give you the exact value, okay, and the square roots are like these, double asterisk will give you the square root. So I'll tell you how to use each of them. We need more pages. Yeah, so for addition you can go a plus b. For subtraction you can do a minus b, okay. For multiplication it's a into b. For floor division you can do a by b. For normal division it's a by b. And for root for square, it's not root, you can do a multiply by 2. So this is not rather than square, I will say it's an exponential value, okay. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 2, just like that. Wait, 2 to the power 2, okay. It's not just 2 to the power 2, it can be it can be any power. So the syntax will be same for this, the variable name, two asterisk signs, and whatever the integer you want to pass over here, it can be either 2, 3, 4 or whatever, okay. So this is about our arithmetic operators. Now first I'll be starting off with the assignment operator, because this is a very easy to understand. So second is assignment operators, okay. So as the name suggests, these operators are used to assign the values. These operators are used to assign value to a variable, okay. So x equals to 3, and over here this equals to is an assignment operator, okay, as simple as that. Assignment operator, okay. So apart from this, we also have x equal to x plus 3, x equals to x minus 3, x equals to x divided by 3, and whatnot, okay. So this is the your assignment operator. So in Python, the syntax for this can also be used as this, okay. So whatever you want to do, right, whatever operation, arithmetic operation you want to perform, and followed by equal sign. So this can be like arithmetic operation, okay, my rating is not good, logical, okay, any other operation. So these operations followed by equal to sign, okay. So few of the functions I will be writing here: s plus equals to 3, s minus equals to 3, x multiply equals to 3, x divide equals to 3, x or operator, okay, this operator as well. This is actually XOR operator, so you will be studying about it in the bitwise operator section. I have mentioned it, right? So this bitwise operator, so XOR or like these as well. Actually this is signed right shift, I think, yeah, right, but this is a right shift. I am not sure what's the complete name of this, but this is a right shift operator. I have to look into it first. So yeah, don't worry, we'll talk about these operators in the bitwise. So yeah, first any logical any operator and followed by equal to sign, this is your assignment operator, okay. So it is just assigning a value to a variable, okay. Python syntax makes it very easier, because you don't have to go through the pain of doing this x equal to x plus 3, right. So it's the normal syntax and simple syntax, okay. So we are done with our assignment operators as well. Third, we have our logical operators. Okay, so logical operators are nothing but and, or, and not. Okay, so these are very straightforward. I have told you before as well. So what and does is कि it returns true if both conditions are true. Okay, I'll explain it like this only. Wait. So you have and, or, and not. So what and does is कि it returns true if both values are true, else false. So a simple explanation for this is कि return so for I'll give you a proper Python code for this one only. So I have x equals to 3, right, and y equals to 10. So we'll be using this example only. So for AND operator, if you do return x is greater than 2 and y is less than 11, it will return true. And if you are doing return x is less than 3 and y is greater than 11, so let's say 2 only here, so it will return false. Okay, this is the AND operator. Now second, talking about the OR operator, it returns true if any of statement is true. Okay, so by true here, like by this true here, it means कि the statement that is written is like the comparison what is done is correct. Okay, so again, like if I do return x is greater than 4 or y is less than equal to 10. Okay, so this statement is true because y value is 10 and it is less than, mentioned less than equal to 10 over here, so y over here is equal to 10 as well, and x is greater than 4, but here x value is 3, so this is false. But according to the OR condition, if any of the conditions given over here is correct, it will return true. But if both of the conditions are false, right, x equals to 4 or y is greater than 11, then only it will return false. Okay, this one is false, this one is false. If you do return x is equals to 3 or y is greater than 11, this will return true as well. So one of the statement is true and one is false. Okay, so it is returning true. And if both of the statements are true, again it will return true. Okay, next we have NOT, logical operator. Okay, so what it does is कि it reverses, spelling mistake, it reverses the answer. Okay, so it is this operator. Okay, and if the answer is true, it will return false. If it is false, then it will return true. Okay, actually this is just written as NOT. This operator comes, like this symbol comes in when you are comparing a value, and it's like more of x is not equal to 3. Okay, so this is different and this is different, sorry for confusing. So this is completely different. I'll just remove it from here so that you don't get confused. So it is used as NOT only, just like or AND, it is used as NOT only. Okay, so how you can use is ki return, okay, not x equals to 3, right? If you just do this much only, so your x is equals to this, so x value is 3, so it is true, right? But we have not operator over here after this answer, so this will become not true. So what I said ki it reverses the answer, so not true will become false and this entire statement will return false. Okay, so you can similarly use other logical operators with this as well. So you can do this like this: not x is greater than 3 or y is equal to 11. Okay, so this, sorry, y equal to 10, so this will give true, this will give false. True or false, this combined will become true. Okay, then the not operator, so not operator will perform on it and the answer will come as false. Okay, so yeah, you can try this once in your code editor as well. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments. So I think this is it about for the logical operators, and the video has gone quite long, so I'll be stopping over here right now, and in the next lectures we can talk about bitwise operator and comparison operators. Yeah, fine. So okay, thanks for watching the videos, guys. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments, and if you are liking my videos, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and also please share it with the your friends who want to learn about Python and how to code in Python as well. Till then, have a very nice day and bye.